Yan, ito 10 baht. Fresh from Thailand. 10 baht. Ayan, 10 baht. New Crown King. Ayan. 7 years na siyang king kasi nag-pass away na yung father niya. Kaya siya na yung king. Bagong king. Ito yung father niya na nag-pass away. Ito naman, 5 baht. Ito, 1 baht. Ayan. Bata na yung king. The new king of Thailand.